Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with a comprehensive guide to the Fubo TV student discount and the various promotions and offers that you can take advantage of. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process to ensure you don't miss out on great savings. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Before applying for the Fubo TV student discount, ensure that you meet the eligibility criteria. Typically, this discount is available for students enrolled in a degree program at a recognized university or college. Step 2. Visit the Fubo TV website. Head to the official Fubo TV website. This is where you will find all the necessary information regarding promotions, offers, and the student discount. Look for the student discount section often highlighted on the homepage or under the Promotions tab. Step 3. Sign up for an account. If you don't already have a Fubo TV account, you'll need to create one. Click on the Sign Up button and fill in the required information such as your email address and password. Be sure to use a valid college email address. This may be necessary for verifying your student status. Step 4. Verify your student status. Once you have created your account, Fubo TV may ask you to verify your student status. This can often be done through a verification service like Unidays or Student Beans. Follow the prompts to confirm your eligibility. Step 5. Apply the discount. After your student status has been verified, you will receive a discount code or see the reduced pricing automatically applied to your subscription. Take note of this discount and proceed to select your desired subscription plan. Step 6. Complete your purchase. Fill in the necessary payment details and finalize your subscription. The discount should be reflected in your total, making it easier for you to enjoy Fubo TV's extensive streaming services at a reduced rate. Step 7. Explore additional promotions. Once you're all set up, keep an eye on the Fubo TV promotions page for any additional offers. They frequently have deals for new subscribers, seasonal promotions, or referrals that you might be able to combine with your student discount. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button if you found this guide helpful. Catch you in the next video.